Underlying causes of electrolyte imbalance and what to do about them. Hi friends, it's Dr. Carrie Lam. Ever feel lightheaded or fatigued or crampy or just a little off? Even when you're eating well and you're staying hydrated? Well, it could be more than just stress or not sleeping enough. One of the most overlooked issues I see, especially in adrenal fatigue, is electrolyte imbalance. And it can really affect your energy, your focus, and even how your body holds onto water and nutrients. Today, I'm sharing the top hidden causes of electrolyte imbalance, what symptoms to watch out for, and how to gently bring your body back into balance naturally. So what are electrolytes? Why do they matter? Well, electrolytes are minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium. They help your cells talk to each other. They keep your muscles working properly, and they regulate the fluid levels in your body. If they're out of balance, even just a little, you might feel tired or dizzy, weak, or mentally foggy. I know they're tiny, but they have a big impact on how you feel every single day. So what really throws your electrolytes off? It's not just sweating so much or drinking too little water. Here's some common and often missed causes of electrolyte imbalance. You can be under chronic stress, and this can deplete your key minerals and shift your fluid balance. Chronic stress also affects your adrenals, and your adrenals are supposed to produce aldosterone, and aldosterone is in charge of sodium and potassium balance. So when your adrenals are not healthy, your electrolytes can definitely be off. You could also have poor gut health. If your digestion is off, you might not be absorbing these minerals and electrolytes that you need properly. Caffeine or alcohol can actually act like diuretics, so they pull electrolytes out of your body faster. So beware if you're drinking coffee every day. Crash diets or cleanses can also throw off your electrolytes and minerals way off if you're not careful. So even minor shifts in your lifestyle can make a big difference in how you feel. The good news is you can start rebalancing today with just a few daily habits. Add electrolyte mineral-rich foods like avocados, leafy greens, sea salt, and coconut water into your diet. Sip on water slowly throughout the day, not all at once. Focus on your gut health. If your digestion isn't working, your absorption isn't either. And be mindful of how stress or caffeine or your intense workouts might be depleting your reserves. We also use supportive tools like our Adrenal or ProY. These are probiotics to gently nourish the gut and help with nutrient absorption. And when the gut works better, so does everything else. Do you want a quick way to feel more balanced? Try this mineral boost. You can mix a pinch of sea salt, a splash of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of honey into a glass of filtered water. It's a simple mineral refresher you can sip on, especially after a workout or a stressful day. Simple, natural, and your body will thank you. Those with adrenal fatigue usually have low blood pressure, so this intake of salt could help you feel less lightheaded or dizzy and have less salt cravings. But if you have high blood pressure, definitely don't do the extra salt. So have you ever noticed these signs of electrolyte imbalance? What has helped you feel better? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. And if this was helpful, please like and share and tag someone who could use a little of this balance in their life. Take care of your electrolytes and they'll take care of you. I'll see you next time.